Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use low data in your laptop. First, identify which applications and processes consume the most data. You can usually find this information in your operating system settings, often under data usage or network and internet. Next, disable automatic updates for your operating system and any installed applications. Finally, make sure to utilize offline modes for productivity software and media whenever possible to save valuable bandwidth. When browsing the web, enable data saver modes in your browser, which can significantly reduce the amount of data loaded by compressing images and blocking unnecessary content. Consider installing browser extensions to block advertisements and scripts, as these often consume a surprising amount of data. For streaming video and audio, always opt for lower quality settings. For example, choosing 480 pixels instead of 1080 pixels can save a lot of data. To further manage your data, configure your Wi-Fi networks as metered connections in your laptop settings. This tells your operating system to limit background data usage. You should also actively limit background app data usage through your system settings, preventing applications from consuming data when not actively in use. Lastly, schedule any large downloads, like system updates or game installations, for times when you have access to unlimited or cheaper data plans. Finally, adopting a few key habits and using the right tools can make a big difference. Utilize data monitoring tools, often built into your operating system or available as third-party applications, to keep a close eye on your consumption. Always compress files before sending or receiving them, especially large documents or images. And remember to regularly review and uninstall any unused applications, as they can sometimes consume data in the background without your knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.